How to enable biometric login in Grab. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen will look something like this. Here tap on the bottom right corner, then scroll down until you see an option called settings, which is located in the general category. After tapping on settings, you'll see an option called account security. Tap on it, and here you'll find an option called fingerprint authentication. Tap on it, and here you'll see an option called set as your default 2FA method. Simply tap on it to enable it, and it is that easy. This is how you can enable the biometric login in Grab app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.